In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to bring PowerPoint back to your main screen if it's stuck on another monitor or has disappeared off screen. This is a very common issue, especially if you've recently disconnected a second display, used a projector, or changed your monitor setup. The good news is that it's very easy to fix, and I'll walk you through two simple methods step by step. Make sure to watch until the end so you can use whichever method works best for you. And if this helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials. Let's get started. Method 1 is the easiest and most reliable way to bring PowerPoint back to your main screen, and it only takes a few seconds. First, go down to your taskbar and click on the PowerPoint icon. This is important because you need to make sure the PowerPoint window is selected and active. Even if you can't see the window on your screen, clicking the icon ensures Windows knows that's the program you want to control. Once you've clicked the PowerPoint icon, press the Windows key on your keyboard, and while holding it down, press one of the arrow keys. So you'll press Windows plus the left arrow key or Windows plus the right arrow key. As soon as you do this, Windows will snap the PowerPoint window back onto your current screen. If it doesn't appear immediately, try pressing Windows and the opposite arrow key. Sometimes the window is positioned off to the far side of a secondary display, and toggling between the left and right arrow keys will pull it back into view. This shortcut works because Windows has a built-in feature called Snap Assist, which automatically repositions open windows on your active monitor. It's fast, it's reliable, and it works not just for PowerPoint but for almost any application that has moved off screen. In most cases, this method solves the problem instantly. Now let's look at method 2, which is also very simple and works well if you have multiple programs open. Again, start by clicking the PowerPoint icon on your taskbar so that it becomes the selected application. Then press Alt and Tab on your keyboard at the same time. This will open the Windows Task Switcher, showing you all currently open applications. Keep holding down the Alt key and tap the Tab key until PowerPoint is highlighted. Once it's selected, release the keys. This forces Windows to bring the PowerPoint window to the front. If PowerPoint was hidden behind another application or stuck partially off screen, this often brings it back into view on your main monitor. If you're still not seeing it fully centered, you can combine this with the first method. After using Alt and Tab to make sure PowerPoint is active, use Windows plus the arrow keys to snap it neatly on your main display. These two methods are especially helpful if you've unplugged a second monitor, disconnected from a docking station, or finished using a projector for a presentation. Sometimes Windows remembers the old screen layout, and your PowerPoint window ends up positioned somewhere you can't see. Instead of restarting your computer or reopening the file, these keyboard shortcuts save you time and frustration. So to quickly recap, method 1 is clicking the PowerPoint icon and pressing Windows plus the arrow keys to snap it back onto your main screen. Method 2 is clicking the PowerPoint icon and using Alt and Tab to bring it to the front and make it visible again. Both methods take just seconds and work in almost every situation. I hope this tutorial helped you bring PowerPoint back to your main screen quickly and easily. If it did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Windows and Office tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.